As a branch manager, this guy won't miss even a single stick. You're unlucky, Snowman. Someone should put snow on the dog's snack shelf.
That's the funniest thing I've ever seen in my life.
Typically, there are two kinds of dog when they first saw the snow. How a nice dog looks. Like this. I bet there's someone threw their favourite bone outside before the snow started falling. Talking about being curious, dogs are no less curious than cats.
You gotta go outside.
It can be pretty good at skiing, but definitely not at teaching. I need him at my store. How is he usually paid? This moment will remain in the core memory until the very last second of its beautiful life. If snow could be packaged, a lot of dog owners will definitely buy it. Not all dogs have a childhood being this fun. Goldie is a lucky one. Dad's not at home, it's time to have a snowball party. Little did you know that Husky's ancestors actually come from high mountains, which is why they absolutely love snow.
Okay. You're not bringing in the log, Iris.
Do you want to show your loved one what you've just achieved? The same goes for him.
No longer. No.
You're...
Stay outside.
I'm sorry, honey. You have to... Oh,
You want to chew it? Go chew it in the snow.
I'm sorry, honey.
Even the greatest adventurer goes speechless when there are lots of treasures to be found.
Trafené. Jdeme domů, pojď. Hele, ty nechceš jít domů, nebo co? Čilík, jo. Čilík.
You might see nothing, but this dog sees a whole treasure down in those snow. When a bulldog sees someone being more handsome than him, he's often not very happy. Only the most delicate dogs know the difference between snow in different places. Ask a dog about heaven on earth, and if they can talk, this will definitely be the snowy backyard.
Let's go, come on.
Wait a minute, human. I smell something. No, leave me here. I've got to find out what it is. The dog could be a big fan of the snow, but definitely not one of ice. Turns out snow can activate the hidden abilities of dogs. Something I learned today. Proof that ice cream is just a product of being inspired by natural snow. Hey bro, how can he help you more if he doesn't have any hands? Bro, just what did the snowman do to you to receive an ending like this?
Will you please just come inside? Please. Oh!